what does a rock solid plan for scaling the CS department look like in your experience?
I think if anybody had like the finite answer on that one, Arena, then then the world of CS would be solved. But I'd say that like from me, I think it is about really creating value and value driving conversations when it comes to speaking with customers. And a lot of the work that I've done with my team is helping them to feel empowered and feel almost like a consultant. So I think a lot of what we were doing previously ended up being, we joked about it, vibes-based conversations. It was transactional conversations. We spoke a lot about maybe people's personal lives or listened to feedback and didn't really know what to do with them. But I think that actually switching those conversations into being, my line has been always ask that extra question. If a customer is talking about something that they're working on, feel free to interrogate it and don't feel like you need to have all the answers. You can just say to them, actually, could you explain a bit more about that? Or what does that mean for the business by you doing that? And that means that then you start to get into the deeper value driving conversations that then help you spot opportunities, spot risks, and then kind of allow the customer to come away saying, actually, that was a really useful call. I'm glad I was on that, as opposed to I have to have this call just in general.